Hey y'all, it's Jacqueline from Hot Mess Candle Co. And today we're talking about one of the most slept on entrepreneurial minds of the 90s. Hustle Man. Yep, that's right. That hustle man from the classic television show Martin. Martin. The dude with the pigeons on a stick, gazoo ballads, and always with the hustle. Okay, so let's get into what this iconic character taught me about entrepreneurship and why his spirit still inspires everything that I do. First off, hustle man. He stayed ready. No booth, no business cards, but he always showed up with something. He didn't wait for the perfect conditions. He made something out of nothing. Literally. And as a bootstrap founder, I feel that. No big budget, no investors yet. Just grit, creativity, and vibes. So, lesson number 1, stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Now listen, hustle man could sell a dream. He had questionable products, but unmatched confidence. And that's lesson 2. Confidence sales. So whether I'm launching a candle inspired by grandma's famous blue cookie tin or a resin art piece in the shape of Africa and naming it melanin, I believe in what I'm doing. And it shows. Hustle man, he always knew his crowd. He tailored his pitch to the neighborhood, to the culture. And that's something that I carry at a Hot Mess Candle Co. My sense and my stories speak to folk who grew up like me. I mean, on 90s R&B, on black cinema, on grandma's blue cookie tin and Soul Train Saturdays for cleanup. We're not for everybody. And honestly, that's the point. And that brings us to lesson number 3. Know your audience. Hey friend, I know you're enjoying this video, but real quick, I wanted to remind you to go to ahotmesscandle.com. All of my first time buyers go and get your candles, your wax melts, your African home decor to fit your personal aesthetic. And for all of my return buyers, come on, go ahead and re-up. You want some more candles. Who doesn't? That's ahotmesscandle.com. Now, back to the video. Every episode, Hustle Man popped up with a new idea. He didn't quit. He just pivoted. That's what entrepreneurs do. We just keep showing up every single day. I've learned that consistency builds credibility, and credibility builds community. It's all legacy work. And that's lesson number 4. Keep showing up. So yeah, Hustle Man made us all laugh, but behind the comedy was some real entrepreneurial wisdom. I would say be bold, be scrappy, be fierce, show up, and don't let the mess stop you from making magic. That's what a Hot Mess Candle Co. is all about. And I'm interested. Drop a comment about your favorite Hustle Man moment because I know you have one. And go ahead and treat yourself and check out our latest candle scents and candle artwork at ahotmesscandle.com. Thank y'all so much for watching. Keep hustling, keep building, and remember, sometimes the mess is just the beginning of your masterpiece. And if you like this message, do me a favor, like this video and subscribe to my channel.